good friend Bob right here. Bob's, say hi to the people, Bob.
What's happening?
How y'all doing?
Are you a tuber?
Little bit.
We seeing it?
You too? You too?
No, we watching.
Oh, I said, are you as well?
Oh, no.
No?
I'm just here for the entertainment.
Okay, good.
Where would we find ourselves?
You find yourself at Scott Lampron.
Scotland?
Yep, just look it up on YouTube. You'll see.
Motorcycle content?
I do motorcycle content. I'm documenting my adventures. I'm from New Hampshire. I left home in October, and I've been just riding around the country since.
Oh, if I lived in New Hampshire,
Yes, sir.
I would leave home now.
Oh, come on now. Come on. Where y'all from?
I'm from New York originally.
Oh, you're from New York. Oh, here we go. Probably a Yankee fan too, I imagine. Yes,
No,
he
I'm
is.
not a baseball fan.
Oh, no? Okay. All right.
We live in Bureau now.
Oh, you're a Jersey boy. Very nice. And you guys ride down?
Yeah, well, we live in Bureau now.
Oh, okay.
We didn't know each other back in the East Coast. We met here.
Oh, good.
Facebook.
Okay.
People to ride with.
Yeah. Nice. Well, yeah, I'm just...
My second trip over here.
This is your second trip? So you were here last year?
Yeah.
At this? Yeah, this is what a turnout.
Yeah.
What an oh my gosh. I didn't expect...
A day earlier.
I know, right? Wow.
For us to go home with Philly is just move your way to 60 and make a right.
Okay.
Right across the state. Straight across.
Oh, very nice. All right, folks. Well, very nice meeting you guys.
Scott Lampron.
Yes,
Have a
look
good
me up.
day.
Look me up. Take care now. So, what this, man, you gotta watch where you're going around here. So what this is the Forgotten Angels. And basically what it is this gentleman, David and Cindy, they put this together for teenagers. After they turn 18 and they get kicked out of the system, he offers them a place to live and teaches them some life skills that they might not have. So it's really a good thing. And so this is just kind of, this is the second event, the second year that he's doing this. And as you can see, there's just so many people here this time from all over. And yeah, so it's really great. So yeah, thanks. Catch you later. Bye.